Ever wondered what makes a perfect pizza dough? Well, the secret lies in the ingredients and the process. Today we're going to explore how to create the perfect pizza dough from scratch. The first ingredient is yeast. Platinum yeast from Red Star is a fantastic choice. This yeast is particularly special because its careful formula strengthens your dough and simplifies working with yeast. For a standard pizza dough, you will need 1 standard packet of yeast, which is about 2 1/4 teaspoons. Next, water is essential. After testing this pizza dough recipe with different amounts of water, it was found that 1 1/3 cups is the perfect amount. Warm water, about 100 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit, is recommended to cut down on rise time. Remember, anything over 130 degrees Fahrenheit kills the yeast. Moving on to the flour, it's best to use unbleached all-purpose white flour in this recipe. Bleaching the flour strips away some of the protein, which affects how much water the flour absorbs. For a chewier pizza crust, you can substitute bread flour. If you're a fan of whole grain bread, try using whole wheat flour for a change. The next ingredient is oil. A couple of tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil add a wonderful flavor to the dough. Don't forget to brush the dough with olive oil before adding the toppings. This prevents the crust from becoming soggy. Salt and sugar are also key ingredients. Salt adds the necessary flavor, while a tablespoon of sugar increases the yeast's activity and tenderizes the dough, especially when paired with a little olive oil. Lastly, while cornmeal isn't in the dough, it's used to dust the pizza pan. It gives the pizza crust a little extra flavor and crisp. Most delivery pizzas you enjoy have cornmeal on the bottom crust. So, to summarize, the perfect pizza dough needs the right yeast, the correct amount of warm water, unbleached all-purpose white flour, or a variation if preferred, a couple tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, salt, a tablespoon of sugar, and cornmeal to dust the pan. Each ingredient plays a crucial role in the final product. The result is a pizza dough that is flavorful, tender, and has just the right amount of crisp. Enjoy making your perfect pizza dough.